Hi, my name is Presa and I'm a project manager here at BIMobject. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial video about sliding doors, and windows developed for Let There Be Light. In Archicad, I have placed out all the products from Let There Be Light. If we click on these hotspots, the open geometry can be moved. You can decide if you want closed doors or open doors. I will also open the window side swing and then go to window selection settings. In here, dimensions can be edited to the size constraints set by the manufacturer. Here we have the fixed frame window, and if I go to the window selection settings, we can set if we want the windows and doors to be in solid wood or in painted wood finishes, in addition to the aluminum external profiles. I will select a green paint wood finish, and then I will unselect this window and rotate. And this is how it's going to look like with the green color. And then I will click on the window again, and I will choose to have an orange aluminum profile. I can also choose to remove the profile. So that was all from me. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Next time you log into BIMobject, I hope you download some of Let There Be Light's objects and see if they can fit into your model.